lengkap rasanya ke Bandung tanpa makan kuliner yang satu ini. Ada yang bisa tebak? Pasti udah gak asing sama bangunan ini lah ya.
Mie kocok Bandung.
Kali ini kita mau nyobain mie kocok yang ada di markasnya Persib nih. Harga per mangkoknya mulai dari 30 ribuan ya. Pembayarannya sudah bisa melalui GoPay atau Kris ya.
Abangnya gak berhenti bikinin dari tadi.
Yeay, pesanan kita udah dateng. Ini dia primadonanya, full daging tulang. Kikilnya jangan lupa melimpah juga nih. Siang panas gini emang paling pas makan yang seger-seger pedes gini. Siapa yang sama kayak aku wajib ngeracik lagi nih buat dapetin rasa yang paling pas. Asam, pedes, manis, gurih, ngenah pisan lah.
Mantul Pol.
Malam harinya kita mutusin buat jalan-jalan di area Braga. Suasana kota Bandung makin terasa hangat ditemani lampu kota yang cantik banget. Dari hotel tempat kita menginap cukup berjalan kaki saja. Langsung sampai ke titik nol Braga nih. Karena ini malam minggu jadi rame banget guys yang nongkrong di sini. Kita juga mutusin buat makan malam di warung tenda pinggiran Braga nih. Sayangnya dokumentasinya terhapus, jadi nggak bisa liatin ayam bakarnya yang enak plus sambelnya yang mantap.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no
Menurut aku, waktu terbaik kalau kamu mau foto-foto di Braga Street ini datangnya di pagi hari ya.
think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Semoga informasi kali ini cukup membantu buat sahabat JJS yang mau liburan ke Bandung.